Nitrogen is extremely important for the proper functioning of cells. The main reason is that proteins are made up of amino acids, which are in turn made up of nitrogen molecules. Hence, nitrogen is required by all organisms, but we cannot directly breathe in nitrogen from the atmosphere. This problem is fixed by the plants for us. Plants synthesize compounds having nitrogen, and when we will consume plants, then nitrogen will enter into our cells. Nitrogen is present in abundance in the atmosphere. However, the divalent molecule has a very strong triple bond shared between the atoms, and it is very difficult to break this bond. It requires extremely high amount of energy. One instance occurring naturally is the lightning process, which helps break the two atoms apart. But that doesn't always help. The problem still exists. Even plants cannot take the nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. They take the help of microorganisms such as certain bacteria and blue-green algae. This important process is known as nitrogen fixation. These organisms are referred as nitrogen-fixing organisms. These nitrogen fixers present in the soil convert the atmospheric nitrogen into compounds like nitrates, nitrites, and ammonium. These compounds are then taken up by the roots of the plants, and then the plants uses these compounds to synthesize their own proteins. The nitrogen in the atmosphere is brought into the biological world, where it is utilized, but it is also sent back to the atmosphere by some means. This process of cyclic flow of atmospheric nitrogen to the living world and back into the atmosphere is called nitrogen cycle. The atmospheric nitrogen is fixed in two major ways. Firstly, by rhizobium bacteria living in root nodules of leguminous plants, and secondly by nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae in the soil. The first type involves fixing of nitrogen exclusively for leguminous plants. The roots of these plants have nodules that are small bead-like structures. These nodules contain the nitrogen fixing bacteria called rhizobium. In non-leguminous plants, the nitrogen fixing bacteria and the blue-green algae in the soil helps in converting the atmospheric nitrogen into usable compounds. These compounds will be absorbed by the plants and utilized further, and when animals consume these plants, the nitrogen enters their body. When these organisms die, their bodies are decomposed by the decomposers, and thus various nitrogen compounds are released into the soil again. The soil also has another category of bacteria called denitrifying bacteria. These denitrifying bacteria help to release the nitrogen molecule from these compounds present in the soil into the atmosphere again. If we look at the complete process, we'll see that the entire process flows in a cyclic manner. This is how several types of bacteria and blue-green algae help in the biogeochemical cycle of nitrogen.